So the products that I got is from their 4-piece treatment system, which comes with a cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to mszskinnitv. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and today I'll be trying out the Yelle skincare line by Yelle Smith. For the last video, you see me using the Miami MD skincare line, and I really enjoyed using it for the month that I was using it. But now I've received some of my products that I have ordered back on Black Friday of last year, and one of them is the Yelle skincare. So the line that I got, or the system that I got from the Yelle skincare line, is the 4-piece treatment set. So the first item that was in my box is milk and honey cleanser. The second one is the toner, the awakening toner. The third item is an awakening hydrating serum for dry skin. And then the daily moisturizer. The first bottle is the cleanser, and it just says AM or PM. Squeeze a small amount into palm. Massage over moistened skin, rinse with warm water, pat dry, and follow with toner. So because I'm acne prone and I have dry skin, I'm going to be going in first with my Panoxyl acne wash. So I'll wash with that first, and then I'll go in with the cleanser. Okay, now that I washed my face with the acne wash, I'm gonna go ahead and try the milk and honey cleanser. This is what it looks like. I don't really smell a smell with this. There really isn't a smell. Alright, now that my face is dry, my face definitely feels soft after using it. It feels soft and smooth after using the cleanser. I'm gonna go ahead now with the toner, and it says after cleansing, apply a small amount of toner to the palms of your hand and apply to skin in circular motions. Okay, that definitely has a smell. That's way too much. Let's get some of that back in. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it doesn't smell nice. It kind of gives the skin a tacky feeling, but not necessarily sticky. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Hydrating Serum for dry skin. The directions on this says serums are delivery systems for ingredients. Wash and pat dry skin. Apply toner before the serum. Apply a small amount to the entire face and neck. Allowed to dry. Can be used daily, can be used under makeup, follow with moisturizer. Okay. Alright, and the last item is the daily moisturizer. And the directions on this says apply moisturizer to face and neck with upward strokes. Use daily for best results. This one doesn't have any, well, it smells like lotion. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing it got shifted in packaging. Let's put up that much. Off noticing from the moisturizer, my face doesn't look oily, but it definitely feels hydrated. There is a little bit of tackiness, but I'm assuming that's just from using all the products. I believe once it dries into my skin and my skin gets used to it, then this feeling will be different and my skin will feel much softer. So far I like it. My skin definitely feels soft and smooth, and it looks hydrated and it feels hydrated. And the products, they don't really have a smell, which is great because I don't like to use products that have fragrances because they irritate my skin. So that's it for the Yelle skincare products line. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.